356 ALS. ALS is parallel, substitute, informal. RA 4670, the Magna Carta for public school teachers. RA 7277, Magna Carta for PWD. RA 6655, Free Public Secondary Education. PD 1006, PBET, Philippine Board Exam for Teachers. RA 7836, the Teachers Professionalization Act. RA 9293, Amendments of 7836. RA 6728, GASP. RA 7877, Anti-Sexual Harassment. RA 10627, Anti-Bullying. RA 10912, CPD. CPD means Continuing Professional Development Act of 2016. RA 7722, CHED. RA 7796, TESDA. RA 9155, DepEd. RA 10157, Kindergarten. RA 10533, K-12 or Enhanced Basic Education. RA 7610, Anti-Child Abuse. RA 10931, Free Tertiary Education. RA 6713, Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees. RA 9155, Shared Governance. I got this words sabay pag-anan ni kay Sir Melvin man ni Sir Melvin Borracho. So ako gining ibutang sa akong atubangan. Luke 1:37, kay walay dili mahimo sa Dios. I write this 90% difficult test and 88% easy test. Ngano ko man gisulat tungod kay dili naman gyud ko mag-aim pa nga mag-top kay ngano repeater man ko. But ako ning gibuhat. Ikuan ako akong self na kung difficult ang test. So it's a challenge. 90%. So, kung easy test, 88%.